Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're finding mean from a frequency table using our GDC. Okay, so here we have a frequency table. We have some ages and we have frequencies, so 8 people are 11, 3 people are 12 years old, and so forth. So first step we need to do is put this data into our calculator. So you need to first of all, go to Stat, Edit, and we're going to put ages into L1 and frequency into L2. If you've got a list here already, you can easily clear it by going up to L1 and press clear and enter, and then you just type in your data. So you can type in 11 and down arrow, or 11 and enter, and we're just typing in our data. Okay, after you type in your data, you should always make sure it's all correct. When you're doing 2 columns like this, they should line up, and you should have all your pieces of data in here, no typos before you proceed. Okay, so now we're going to estimate the mean, find the median, and find the mode. So we can find 2 of these things on our calculator. If we go to Stat, and we go over to Calc, press the right arrow, go to One Variable Statistics, and press Enter. And when we're doing this, L1 is going to be our data, and our frequency is in L2, so we're going to go down to Frequency List, and we'll press Enter. Go to frequency list, and we're going to change that to L2. You see L2 is in blue over the 2 button. So press second function, and then 2, and then we have, frequency list is L2. So it's going to calculate these things for us. Okay, now on the calculator, the symbol for mean is X with a bar over it. So the mean of this data is going to be 12.2. So the average, or the mean age of these students, is 12.2. So we have 12.2 as our mean, and so let me just write that down real quick. So the mean is approximately 12.2. Back to the calculator. For the median, we have to actually scroll down. The median is going to be 12, okay, which makes sense if you look at the data. We have a total of 18 people in this group. Okay, so the mean is going to be between the 9th and 10th person, which is in this range, this part right here, which is 12. So the median is 12. Now for the mode, you can't get that from the calculator, but the mode is pretty easy to get with a frequency table because it's the one that occurs the most. So now here's a common mistake people make. Some people write down 8 as the mode. 8 is the number of times that 11 occurs, so the mode is actually going to be 11. Okay, next we're going to find the mean, or estimate the mean, and figure out where the median lies in this group data. So this is a bit different. We have 8 people between the ages of 10 and 19 in this case. So in this case, we can't figure out exactly how old these people are. We just know they're between 10 and 19. So our best estimate for the ages, or an age of a random person in this group, is halfway between 10 and 19. So if you do 10, you can do 10 plus 19 divided by 2 to get the average of the 2 numbers, or the number that's exactly halfway between 10 and 19. Okay, it turns out that's 14.5. Okay, so we get 14.5 is, sometimes we call this the midpoint of the range. Okay, so that's going to be 14.5, and then the next one's going to be 24.5, and so on. Okay, next we're going to enter this data into the GDC. So we go to Stat, Edit, and we type in all the midpoint values and the frequencies like this in L1, L2. Then we go to Stat, we go to Calculate One Variable Statistics. Make sure your list is L1 and your frequency list is L2. Then we go to Calculate, and it gives us our mean is 26.9, about 26.9 for the mean. And for the median, that is, we have to scroll down to get the median. Okay, notice that you have all the information you need for a box plot here: minimum, lower quartile, median, upper quartile, and maximum. So if you want to do a box and whisker plot, so all your data is right there. And the median is 24.5. Okay, the median is 24.5. Okay, so the median is actually in this interval class right here.